Hi, want to know how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A25? So, as a first step, open settings on your phone and then find this tab which is named General Management. Click on it here, scroll a little bit down and go to the tab named Reset. As a next step, scroll down again and here choose Factory Data Reset. Here on this tab, you'll be able to read all of the information that will be deleted from your phone and also the accounts. Then we can scroll down and here click on this big button Reset. Then we would need to enter our current PIN code and click Continue. And now we click Delete All. And if you have logged in into your Samsung account, you would also need to verify yourself by entering the password from your account. So I'll be right back. After you are done with your password, simply click on this button OK. And after this, your phone will shut down and perform the factory reset by itself. You don't need to do anything manually, just wait and then your phone will be back in the factory reset condition. That's it. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.